Lecture number 3 and functions, formulas and function. In a previous class we have discussed last thing, which was a nested if. Right now today we are going to go forward and doing some more functions. Okay, today's first function is a hyperlink function. Which function? Hyperlink. Simple. Hyperlink, how we're going to use that is equal to hyperlink. Okay, and we are going to give two arguments for the hyperlink function. First one is location, the path. First one is location or the path of the file, and second one is user friendly name, that what name it will show. Okay, so first of all I'm going to give path, double colon, okay, double inverted commas, c double colon slash, and give any picture or anything which is there. Okay, give the path of that and double close. Okay, right now I have given path to the C drive. This is what path to the C drive or not. What I'm going to do here, the second argument is drive. Which one? Drive C. Closing bracket, enter that. Right now what is showing? Drive C is showing or not? And what is the hyperlink text? Hyperlink text is it is showing like this. First one is a location, second one is friendly name, what it will show. Right now if somebody click on that, so here directly drive C opened or not. Okay, so if any picture is there, anything which is there, and you want to give path, here subjects, the path is what? Subjects.jpg, where it is in a C drive. I'm going to edit hyperlink. Okay, and just here slash subjects dot jpg. Okay, and nothing more. Enter that. Written drive C, but while you click on that, it will go to open that picture. Right now click on that and you're going to see that it is going to open a picture. Open or not? Yeah, by default it is going to open Internet Explorer. Right now I want to change the user friendly name, so go over there and just clicking on that and just change, instead of drive C I want to show something else. Here friendly name, I'm going to write picture. What I'm going to write? Picture, inverted commas, right? picture, picture, and enter that. So what is showing? Picture is showing or not? And it is going to open that picture for you. Clear this thing? So this is a simple hyperlink function. Hyperlink function. So hyperlink function have a two argument. One is a location, another one is a friendly name. So location, where the file is, where the song is, where the movie is, where the lecture is, and then it will show lecture number 1, lecture number 2, lecture number 3. While you click on that, it will go to that specific file or drive or area or folder. Clear? So that was a next one function is a fact function. Basically fact stand for factorial, or you people say factorial. Okay, factorial. How are we going to use this function? If I'm going to say factorial of 7, factorial of 5, if I'm going to say factorial of 5, so how I'm going to write factorial of 5 means that 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1. So it's equal to 120 or not? 120. It's equal to 120. But I have done what? This is formula. What I have written? This is a formula. Okay, but if I want to do with a function, so how it is possible is equal to fact function. Okay, and starting bracket, right now write number 5 and closing bracket, enter that. Understand? So if you're going to do by a function, so function simple, easy, using the, okay, I'm going to write a number here. Number should be here. 5 I'm going to write here, and I'm going to select the cell. Instead of that, I'm going to select this cell and is equal to, okay, remove the equal to sign and select the cell A49, closing bracket, enter that. So 120 answer we got or not? Where it is useful in a math. While you want to do calculation in the maths, so at that time it is useful to find out the factorial of a number. Okay, factorial, simple or not? Next one function is degree radian. Khon diya na khon de? Khon de, chalo na khon. Repetition. Na budi? Khubas, ka na budi hona mein khubas. Huh? There come. That's why firstly I'm going to repeat that here, but I'm not going to record that because previously recorded. It's not the game. वो एक बार शुद्ध दिखा हाँ सही है वो फवाद खर्च न कपड़े का yeah please in Excel clear recording start right now here LCM least common multiple. Okay, if I'm going to take a LCM of a number, so first of all how the LCM is going to be calculated. Let's suppose we have 3 or 4 numbers. We have 3 numbers, 30, 40 and 60 number. These 3 numbers are there and I'm going to find out the LCM of this is equal to LCM of these 3 numbers. So select the range, closing bracket, you will got 120. How the LCM is going to be find out? How? I'm going to use here MS Paint and I'm going to do it here. What were the numbers here? 30, 40, 60. Okay, I'm going to use LCM. So LCM is taken like that. Here, first of all, divided by what? 2, 15, and the second one is 20 and 30. Right now done by what? 3. 2 not possible. 2 not possible. First of all, similar. Similar. Here, first of all, I'm going to do by 5. 5 3s are 15. 4 and 6. Then it's possible that similar. Leave the which are not going to be done. Leave it. These 2 can be done by help of 2 or not. 2 and remain 3, comma 2, comma 3. Right now. Furthermore, division is possible? No. Means normal. But after that, no more is possible. Okay, what we are going to do? We are going to do multiplication. We are going to do multiplication. How? First of all, this is going to be done like this. Multiply and then multiply like this. So here, I am going to multiply that. 5 2s are 10 or not? 10 multiplied by 2? 20. 20 multiplied by 3? 20 multiplied by 3? 60. 120. And 120. Okay, so here 180, 20, 30, 40, 60. We are going to do by 1 3 more here. So 3 because combination is there. 1, comma 2 and 1. So right now multiply that. Right now multiply by that. 5 2s are 10. 10 multiplied by 20. 10 multiplied by 2, 20. 20 multiplied by 3, 60. 60 multiplied by 2, 120. And 120 multiplied by 1 and 1. So same, we got 120 answer or not? So this is what LCM. LCM. Least common multiple. And it can be shown by Excel simple. Okay. So select it here. So simple, this is least common multiple. Here, if I'm going to tell you find out the highest common multiple, highest common divisor, sorry. Here, next one is GCD, greatest common divisor, greatest common divisor. Okay, so I'm going to use same function is equal to, but first of all, I'm not going to do here. I'm going to do in Paint. I need to rub some area because clear. Okay, it's done. Here, right now, what I'm going to do furthermore, first of all, in greatest common divisor, first of all, divide by all. We're going to use that number, all are going to be divided. So, by 2, all is possible or not? Yeah. So, what is the answer? 15. And then 20 and then 30. And right now by one number. Okay, so all this is possible by 3? No. 20 can be divisible by 3? No. So by 5? By 2? By 2, no. So by 5 is the lowest number which all the number can be divided. 5 3s are 15, and 5 4s are 20, and 5 6s are 30. Okay, right now furthermore all can be divided by one number? No. So leave it. So the GCD is these two numbers, just multiply them, and it's equal to 10. So the answer GCD is what? 10. Okay, so right now I'm going to do here GCD of these three numbers 30, 64, 8, 30, 40 and 60, and the answer is 10 showing or not. So directly, no need of calculation, Excel is going to do that for you. Control C, copy, and I need the answer. Clear this thing? So LCM and GCD. Next function is a log function or logarithm, you people say it. Logarithm or logarithm. Okay, so right now here how we are going to use that is logarithm. Okay, so how we are going to use that? Here with the log we have two functions. One is simple log, another one log to the base 10. Log to the base 10. Simple log will carry simple log. For simple log we use two arguments. One is a base, another one is a number. One is a base, another one is number. With the log to the base 10 we use base is available, which is a 10. We are going to give just provide number. Here first of all I'm going to use log 10 function. Okay, so here write any number, and we are going to take log of this. Here I'm going to use a number here. Do it here. Number is okay. I'm going to take log of this is equal to log 10. Okay, log 10. Right now select the cell and you will see the result which is showing 6.7546 like this. Okay, so this is log to the base 10. Here if I am going to, this is to the base 10, but if I am going to use two things, one is a base, another one is a number. This was a number or not? Okay, here number and base. Okay, number is same number I'm going to use, and control V. Base is I'm going to use 5. So which function will be used? Simple log. Okay, this should be capital because log. Here how I'm going to use that is equal to log here number. Which number? This one or not? What is the base? Down. Okay, so select that, closing bracket, enter that. So 9 point something like that or not? Right now I'm going to change the base. I'm going to write 10 here. Right now I'm going to change the base. Okay, and what base I'm going to write? 10. So you will see the same answer. 6.75 or not? 6.75461,831. Okay, here if I'm going to change base to the 2, so then the answer is changing or not? To the 8. So in a books you have seen that while they give the question, they are going to write solve by log which one? By log 10, by log 3, by log 8. Okay, so also possible that you're going to do with that. Log is under the root, number is under the root, so take root of that. How? Okay, I want to take log of this one under the root. Okay, so simple, is equal to sqrt function, square root function of this one. Right now take log of this is equal to log of this one comma base 10. So 3 point something like that. Okay, next function which we are going to use, mode function. There are two mode functions. One is a statistical mode function, another one is mathematical mode. One is statistical, SIV. Okay, statistical function. Okay, here another one is the statistical function is MODE. Okay, and basically mode is known as a mean. Mode is a mean, or we can say average. Mean, average, median, mode, they are same as the average. but we are studying function, a math function which is a mode, mod. Okay, so this I'm going to use mod function here. How is equal to, what is the use of this function? While you want to do division, taksim, okay, so one is a number, another one is divisor or not, and it give you the answer of that. If I'm going to use like this, let's suppose in a calculator I need here, no, not a calculator, delete all. Right now, if I'm going to write 45 or 47, pen, 47 divided by 47 divided by 5, 47 divided by 5. Okay, so what will be the, how the calculation is going to done? 5 nines are 45 or not? 45. How much remaining? 2 remaining. Here 5 nines are. After that, how much remaining? 3, 2 remaining. After that, 1 will be carry or not? Point started, 1 will carry and become a 0 over there, 20. But I don't need a point value. If in a calculation you need a remainder, baki manda, remainder. Okay, so in a calculation, if you need a remainder, so for that we use mode function. I don't need this thing, I need this thing, so which function will be used? Mode. This can be find out by the help of which function? Mode function. And right now I'm going to do that. Here, number, two things we need. One is a number, another one is number and divisor. Okay, I'm going to write that. Number and divisor. Here, number is 47. Divisor is 5. Taksime Panch. Okay, is equal to mode function, and here starting bracket, two things ask for that or not? Number and divisor. So number is 47, divisor is 5. So what will be the answer showing? Two answers showing. Got that? So this is, sometimes we need that, and if you want to go for pray, after that we are going to continue that. Right now, the mode function formula, if you want to see, so how simple, go over there and you can see the answer for mode function. Okay, next one, pi function. I'm going to use which one function? Pi. Pi is the value 3.14. If you remember, in a mathematical we use 3.14, or the symbol for pi is symbol. Yeah, just like this, like Q. This is the sign of pi. Okay, and its value is equal to 3.14. Okay, and in 22 by 7, and it's equal to 22 by, if you're going to divide 22 by 7, so you'll get same answer. Okay, 3.14, 22 by 7. Okay, if I'm going to directly in a formula, the area of a circle, masate daira, pi r square, what is the value? What is here? I'm going to show you the formula for pi. World, open the world. Here we have one, insert equations and pi r. Okay, what that is, template is not working. Here pi r square is there or not? Area of a circle is pi r square. If somebody tell you, you know the radius, find out the, if you know the radius, find out the area. How you going to find out the area? So the formula is pi r square or not? Pi multiply by r, okay, and power square or not? R multiply by r or not? This is the formula or not? Square equals like that or not? So this is area of a circle. Okay, area of a circle, but pi directly function will be written pi, right? Pi, bracket, starting bracket and closing bracket. So 3.14 answer we got or not? If you know the area, if you know the radius, I am going to say radius, R-A-D-I-U-S, radius is equal to 5. So what will be the area? How are we going to find out area? A-R-E-A. area of a circle will be is equal to pi. Directly write pi, okay, starting bracket closing bracket, multiply by r chandas 5, multiply by 5 again, and enter that. So the answer we got area of a circle, area of a circle. If I am going to use power, here square is there or not, multiply power function, okay, here square this number power 2 or not, closing bracket, and same answer will be there, 78.53. 78.53. If you're going to see the formula which we have used is the formula we have used pi function inside this formula. Clear this thing? Next one is a product function. Product function. Okay, how we are going to just product, simple means multiply. If 3 or 4 values are there and you want to multiply that here, so simple, we are going to use product function is equal to product, select these 3 cells and closing bracket, enter that. So this has been multiplied. Simple product function. Okay, copy, and after that a very useful function is there which is a rand function. Which is the what? Rand function. Here R-A-N-D, rand. Rand basically means a random. Rand means this is a random, shortest of a random, R-A-N-D. After that random is there. Okay, what this random is, it is a computer generated number. It is a computer generated number, but every time different number. People does not know that what will be the next number, what will be the next function number. I'm going to write rand function. Look over here, starting bracket closing bracket, it's 0.63 or not, after 0.63 is there or not. If I'm going to say F2 and enter it again, what will be the next number? Guess it out. 0.25. After that 35, 88. Guess it out. Next 91, 73. After that 63, 50. Okay, so it is a computer generated number. People cannot answer that on here, that what will be the next number. What is the use of this rand function? Okay, basically we used in draws, lucky draws, okay, or we going to use in a different more functions. We use in a jaiza. Here, just like everyone have a bank account, you have a bank account, but who will get the jaiza? Okay, so for that we are going to use this rand function. How we are going to use that? Okay, right now I'm going to make a draw for you, another function that is a rand between. Okay, I'm going to use rand between. Here, everyone should write a number on their hand between 1 and 100. Plot 1 here, test value, plot 1, plot 2, 5 plots I'm going to give. Okay, 5 plots I'm going to give, and here I'm going to use a rand between function. Which function? Rand between. Here is equal to rand between, and starting value is 1, ending value is 100. Starting value is 1, ending value is 100. Closing bracket, so the number is 5. Okay, right now everyone should write one number on your hand between 1 and 100. Bakhatrichi kudam nafar jaiza me gira 5 jaizas yag nambra. Plot 1, plot 2, plot 3, plot 4, plot 5. Okay, so write down number between 1 and 100. Who will get the plot? Come on. 5 will get. No. Next time it will be changed. Next time, that was a test value. So rand between function is simple. Here rand between, and if you're going to enter, so next time you can see that the numbers are going to be changed. Nobody can say what is the next number. Okay, so this is between 1 and 100. Between 1 and 100. So got this thing? Rand between function. Here you're going to write is equal to rand between bottom value 1, top value 100. Closing bracket and enter that. So right now every time the number is going to be changed. That is a rand between function. Okay. Next one is conversion. Next one we are going to do what? Conversions. Next function is Roman. Okay, Roman. How we are going to write a number in a Roman, Rumi, other. Okay, here Just like if I'm going to write 65, 65 will be written in Roman is equal to Roman, write directly Roman and select the cell. 65 will be written LXV. L means 50,
X means 10.
10, 5. So 65. Here, if I'm going to write 48,
3 means 100.
here, if I'm going to write 100, it's then C. Okay, 175. Right now, what will be the answer? 175.
I can write down it. Wait. No. C. No. C. L. C. Triple A. 2.
C L
XX. XX. And
V.
B. Yeah, that's
Good.
one.
F9. Next function is the average function. There are two ways to find out the average. One is by formula, another one is by function. By formula, if you're going to do, so sum is equal to sum of number divided by total number. Okay, first of all we're going to find the sum of the numbers divided by how many they are. And if you're going to do by function, so function is equal to average and just select the data. Okay, right now we're going to do by both is equal to, here I'm going to write average. Okay, by first of all by formula. By formula, here is equal to sum, or directly in a bracket select this one plus this one plus third one 18 and close the bracket, divided by how many they are, 3, and enter that. So answer is what, 16. Right now by function I'm going to do, okay, average by function is equal to average and select these 3 cells. Same answer we got or not? So this is 2 ways to find out the average. The third one way I'm also going to do, the third one, that is combination of formulas and function. Here and the third one is here is equal to sum of these 3 cells divided by count, 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 count function, and select these 3 cells and closing bracket. Same answer 16 we will get. Count how many they are. So 3 automatically it will give you or not. So the answer which it will show you is same 16. Clearest thing. So 3 ways to find out the average. One is by formula, one other one is by function, and third one is same by formulas, by functions are there, but combination with the formula is also available over there.